If you're new, welcome to my channel. I'm a professional home organizer and soprano here in the Boston area, and I'm here to inspire you to live a more organized life. So it's the same day as the last video, I think, anyway. Today I'm gonna be working on my closet just a little bit. So I've got like sort of the last few pieces of my closet to make it come together. I've got a closet rod and I've got some fascia down here for our Elfa custom closet that we took from our last condo. We took all the pieces from our last condo and installed them in our apartment that we're living in temporarily, probably for a couple of years, maybe just 1 year, maybe a couple of years, who knows, and set it up there. So I will show it to you and we're gonna complete it today, finally. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. First of all, for the Clover fans, here he is. Here he is. He's having a boring day, aren't you, bud? I'm sorry your day is so boring. I will take you out in an hour, I promise. That means I've only got an hour to get this done. So let's get Clover on his walk, shall we? Yes. So here is our master bedroom and here is the master closet. That is the master bathroom suite. So master closet. First of all, the light switch is on the outside. Not my favorite, gonna be honest. But let's take a look at how it looks right now. I don't know how it looks today. Okay, I mean, not too bad, not too bad. We had a little shoe storage on the door. This is the Elfa door and wall rack, and I thought, you know what? Why not with the shoe? Why not? Why not? Why not? Anyway, this is what it looks like so far. A little crampity cramped. It's definitely smaller than our last closet. I've got a little more hanging space. He's got a little less, but he got rid of half of his clothes. So we are, you know, we're playing with, we got room to play with. So I don't know, messy closet tour. I just stuck everything in here when we moved, and it's just a hot mess. So up at the top, I just have some shoes, a couple of bags, some seasonal storage, a couple of travel bags. I haven't used those in a while, you know. Some boots, and these are basically a mix of like tops. This is my dresses and skirts. And then here I just have like a mix of like tops, and then I'm gonna hang some more things up there. So I was waiting to get the 30-inch hanging rod so that I can hang clothes there. The 30 inches is like a custom size. Well, it's 31 inches, but 30 inches, the shelf is 30 inches, is a custom size. So I had to special order it from the Container Store where this shelving is from. So I picked it up today and I'm ready to finish this closet. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take this area and turn it into sort of like a boutique accessory area and get rid of the hanging rod there. But instead I'm gonna hang stuff there and there. So it should go well, I think. So, but that's what we're gonna do today. So I'm excited. Oh, I gotta get the mirror that I'm gonna put there. There's a mirror that goes there. So I'm gonna take these clothes off, put the mirror on, and make it a little boutique area. Cause like, look, my jewelry and accessories just got dropped here. What a mess. What a mess. Oh, there's some fascia there too. So hopefully by the time I finish this up, it'll look much nicer than it does now. Okay, let's get started. So organizing all of these closets has just felt like one giant puzzle because all of these pieces were taken from our old condo and moved into this apartment, you know, temporarily until we find our more forever home, I suppose. And it's been a really interesting experience trying to put pieces that were, you know, frankly, custom cut and custom made for one space and putting them in the other. But this system is very versatile and it's been really fun to actually try and make old pieces work in a new space. Of course, we have some other pieces that just didn't fit in the space, so they are in storage for now. But when we move to our forever space, hopefully we can reuse them. But it's been really fun. All right, I'm in here and I just noticed the funniest thing about this. And if you're building an Elfa closet, just watch out for this. So we have Elfa pieces that are older and they changed the way that these brackets are shaped. So here's an older bracket. This is a bracket we've had for like a long time, years, and it's kind of thick. And this bracket is a newer bracket and it's thinner. See how it's not as thick? Maybe I have an old one and a new one to show. But because of the thickness of the brackets, the closet rod is like crooked now. Like this side is higher and this side is longer because this is thicker
this piece is thicker than this piece. So I'm gonna have to have matching brackets. So I'm gonna find another 16-inch one, but I thought that was kind of funny and I just wanted to show you guys. Okay, so now I can show you. So here is the old bracket. It's thick. And here's the new bracket. It's much less fat. So, and underneath is where the closet rod holder attaches to. I'll show you guys that. So when you attach this closet rod, I still have the skew on it. I know, I never take these stickers off. There's a little indent right there where it goes and you just snap it in there. And now when I put the closet rod in, it should be level, but I just thought that was the funniest, weirdest thing. And now my camera has the audacity and nerve to be out of focus for the rest of this time lapse, so I'm so sorry. Anyway, my biggest takeaway from organizing closets for a long time is that establishing zones, just like in the pantry, just like in any space, is really important. So I have, you know, casual t-shirts that I like to wear, and I have jeans that I like to wear, and also my nice tops and cardigans are together. And these are zones that I've established that work for me. So in your closet, you might have a whole collection of swimsuits. Just go ahead and put those all together, and you'll find that when you have like with like, it makes finding things so much easier. Since I'm still kind of recovering from the whole moving thing, and I had done a pantry organizing project a few hours before, I was definitely a little bit tired and took it easy. I decided to do this as just a phase 1, but I'll definitely go in and tweak this space and do a phase 2, like glamming up of this space, if you know what I mean, just like I did the pantry. But for now, it did the job, and I was really happy with the way that it turned out. I definitely am looking forward to using some of the leftover pieces that we couldn't fit in here. Like there's some 4-foot shelves and stuff that we didn't need, taking those out of storage and using those in our forever home. But for now, I am happy with the way that it turned out. I love this shelving system. It's just like a puzzle, and it's so much fun to use. Okay, it's almost 6 o'clock, and Clover wants to know, why hasn't he eaten yet? It's almost time to eat. Anyway, I have finished. It took much longer than I thought, and I definitely am gonna have to move some stuff around during the second phase, but the first phase is over. I mean, we're not like perfectly matching Pinteresty beautiful, but it's good enough for me right now. So little tour, we hung up our mirror here, our Elfa mirror, and I have my little like boutique-y kind of same area I had in my other closet here, which I'm really pleased with. I got this little accessory shelf, which is so cute. I'm a little short for this mirror. But it's okay. It's only because I'm using a really short standard here. I think eventually there's a longer standard on this side that's not being used. I will switch it out and lower this whole situation down a little bit, but that's much more work than I'm willing to do today, because that involves taking this whole side off, the whole side off. So we're just gonna let it chill, and we'll do this another day on phase 2. I promise there'll be another closet organizing video. Anyway, got the drawers set up. I hate the way that they look on the side with these like drawer fronts, but the sides look like trash. But because I did get this hook from the Container Store to put on the side here, because this is where I'm gonna put my interlopers. You know, the stuff you wear once, but you don't want to wash it, but you don't want to also write it. You don't want to put it back with the rest of your clothes. You know what I'm saying? So you can grab your interloper thing, hang it up on a hanger, and then shabam. You can let it air out or whatever. Sometimes when I've, you know, if something's like dry clean only or whatever, I let it wear out, and I just air out, and I just let it, you know, air out for a while, and then I put it back. So anyway, t-shirts, and wow. I'm definitely gonna have to straighten out my clothing, but like t-shirts, sweatshirts, hoodies, some stuff here, t-shirts here, blouses and fancy things I only wear on camera on interviews and out with friends. That hasn't happened in a while there. We've got fancy shoes up there. Those haven't been worn since the panini. Sad. And then we've got boots there. I got some blank space over there with some fascia. I couldn't put the fascia. I couldn't fit the fascia all the way across the shelf. I don't know why, so I'm gonna have to figure that out. Anyway, we've got long things and skirts here. These are pajamas, check these out. Do you love these? Anyway, lots of floor space over here. I just put some slippers, I don't know. Underneath there's some accessories under there, but like, I don't know, I think it turned out pretty cute. Just some like accessory stuff there. There's like nail polish and like buttons and stuff, and bags, winter clothes, well, winter like scarves and stuff, and then there's like some other winter stuff up there that I put away, but it's 32 degrees today. I don't know why I did that. But anyway, that's the closet done. That's my husband's side. He probably don't want me to show you, but I'm showing you anyway. Here it is. He also has one set of drawers. So I don't think it looks too bad. It looks, I mean, it's functional. The second phase, it'll definitely look a lot better. Of course, we still got the shoes hanging out there. But yeah, closet phase 1, all done ski. So all the pieces from our other closet now came over here and kind of function. It kind of works. Kinda. However, you've been very patient all day. I promise you will have a very special evening, a very special dinner for you. Okay, well, we've done a lot today. We've done the pantry and we've done the closet. So that is enough for today. Next video will be the bathroom. We're gonna do the master bath and then we're gonna do the guest bath. So, and then it's the entryway. So we've got lots more spaces to do before it's all done. Oh my gosh, but I hope you guys were inspired by this and go organize your closet. I hope you're having a great morning, great afternoon, great evening, wherever you are. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye.